In the last episode, we went over the star system in which our adventure will take place. In this one, we'll discuss the emergence of life. It is accepted that all life on Earth came from a universal common ancestor, one that diversified into different forms of life, known as kingdoms. The planet of Midgard will experience a similar event. The first forms of life will be single-celled organisms living around hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean. But as they diversify, they will break into various groups that will form the basic outline for all life on Midgard. The first in this split will be organisms that use chemicals and sulfides from hydrothermal vents to make energy in a similar way to how plants use sunlight. Eventually, these life forms will form slime-like colonies around these vents, leading to the emergence of the first kingdom of life that we'll call chemozoa. As these organisms migrate across the ancient oceans, they will diversify further to take advantage of other sources of energy. One group will float on the ocean's surface, using sunlight for their energy in a similar way to plants, leading to clusters of dark blue algae that we'll call photophagia. All of the organisms that we have talked about thus far are autotrophs, organisms capable of making their own energy. Though there are also heterotrophs, organisms that get their energy from other organisms, and mixotrophs, organisms that employ a mix of autotrophy and heterotrophy. After the emergence of photophagia, one last split will occur, with one kingdom of coral-like organisms that gain their energy from the sun as well from other organisms, as well as a kingdom of sponge-like organisms, both of which will also feed on the marine snow that falls to the seabed. For their modes of feeding, we'll call them metaxophagia and euzoa. These four kingdoms will form the basis for all life on Midgard. And with an entire world to themselves, they will take advantage of all the different spaces available. In the next episode, we shall go over the different phyla and body plans that will come into being.